was a little girl, I love the rain boots my grandma gave me. When I was in college, I learned that I didn't know much about anything. When I was 19, I was told to find something I could do. When I was alone, I didn't know what to do, but I was okay. I got married when I was 25. My baby was born when I was 31. When I turned 42, I realized there was so much I wanted to do, but I never got to it. When I was young, I used to dream that someday I'd be a musician. Well, of course, that never happened. When she was a little baby, she looked so pretty in my old red coat. When she was in high school, she played tennis and she wanted to be a pro. When she was 18, she was told she wasn't good enough. When she was a student, she decided to see the world, and she did. She moved to London when she graduated. She started all over when she was 25. When she turned 27, she traveled through the South and fell in love with a local fisherman. When she was small, she used to tell me that one day she'd be a patissier. Well, she doesn't remember now. When I turned 50, I thought about all the things I had done and all the things I had never done. I've made mistakes, but I know now I won't repeat them. And you'll see I'll do all those things I never got around to, because I'm grateful for all the mistakes I've made and learned from. You know, I've learned a lot over the years. I'm finally a